How to screenshot WhatsApp view-once messages. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's video we are going to show you how we can screenshot of the WhatsApp view-once photos and videos. So let's just get started with the process. So first thing first, let's talk about the WhatsApp view-once feature. This feature lets you send photos or videos that can be only viewed once by the recipient. After they have opened it, the media disappears and can't be viewed again. So once you have received a view-once photo or video, you can just go ahead and tap on it and open it up, but be quick. After you have opened it up on your screen, it will disappear and you won't be able to open it again. So in order to take a screenshot, you just need to follow up the simple process on how you normally screenshot. So if you're on an Android device, you can open up the photo or the video. After that, you can just screenshot normally by pressing the volume down button and the power button at the same time, and it should screenshot. But if you're on iPhone, you can just press the side button and the volume button simultaneously. Now you need to keep in mind that WhatsApp will notify the sender if you take a screenshot of their view-once media. They'll get a message saying that this person has took a screenshot, so be very mindful of that. So if you want to save the media without the sender knowing, consider asking them to send it again or use the screen recording feature in your phone. But remember, that can also notify the sender. So that is it. That is how you can screenshot WhatsApp view-once messages, but also keep in mind about the privacy and remember the sender will be notified. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tutorials. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.